Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a disability certificate in Jammu and Kashmir. First, it's crucial to understand the specific eligibility requirements. You'll need to gather all your essential documents, including proof of identity, address, and comprehensive medical reports detailing your condition. Identifying the correct medical board or designated authority in your area is the next vital step to begin the application process smoothly and efficiently. Once you have your documents ready, the next step is to fill out the application form. Make sure to complete every section accurately and provide all requested information. Carefully attach all the necessary documents, ensuring they are properly attested as required. You can then submit your completed application either in person at the designated office or through the official online portal, if available, for a streamlined process. After submitting your application, you will be called for medical examination. It's important to attend this appointment with the medical board, who will conduct a thorough assessment of your condition. Based on their findings, the board will determine your disability percentage according to established guidelines. Your application and all supporting medical reports will then undergo a careful verification process to ensure accuracy and authenticity before final approval. Upon successful verification and approval, you will be notified to collect your official disability certificate. This important document is your key to accessing a range of government schemes, benefits, and concessions designed to support individuals with disabilities. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This certificate is a crucial step towards ensuring your rights and receiving the assistance you are entitled to, so keep it safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.